Happy Monday morning, guys. Start of a new week, and we're adding in some kind of different things. So I really want you to pay attention to this video. And you may have to go back into this video a couple times to listen to it again to make sure you got it all. Okay? So here's our week at a glance. Remember, it looks a little bit different where you can scroll down to the next page to get to the next day's work if you're looking ahead. Okay, but we're just going to focus on Monday, April 27th. Okay, we have reading still. Make sure you're doing your 25 minutes of reading. If you finish a book, please don't forget to do an AR or Seesaw as we're coming to the end of the year and our goal of the 40 books. Mr. Lund and I are starting to look at that and see how close we're getting as we have just the last few final weeks of school coming up here. 4 lit circles, here is the plan. So some of you are done, some of you are finishing your book, so we're all kind of all over the place. Incredible Journey and Sign of the Beaver. You guys are working on your one-pagers, okay? So you're working on a one-pager. If you finish your one-pager early, then you need to go on to Dreamscape and do some Dreamscape reading projects on there and work through some problems on there. When you are finished with your one-pager, you are going to upload it into the one-pager folder. Remember, you go to ELA and then Lit Circles, and then we go into the one-pager folder. Here is all your resources for one-pagers, guys. So if you're confused on what your one-pager should look like, here is a video for you to watch, okay? Watch the video, rewatch the video. Here is my example of a digital one-pager if you're making it on your Chromebook. Even if you're making it on paper, you can still look at this one-pager as an example of all the things you need. And then as well as this link is your rubric that tells you all the items that you need. So go into this folder. Then here's where you'll upload your final copy, whether you take a picture or you upload the file that you made. Okay, so that is where your one-pagers go. So Incredible Journey, Sign of the Beaver, you are working on that. My Side of the Mountain, you are finishing the chapter 21 and 22 and answering those comprehension questions, as well as taking the AR test on that book. Okay, Refugee, we have a Google Meet, and this week you'll finish the book and then you'll start to work on your one-pager as well. So it's for Science and Social, you are watching episode 10 of Liberty Kids, taking notes, remember? You do not need to write a summary or tweet. Today is the day where you take that quiz on episodes 6 through 10. Remember, you can use your notes, okay, but nothing else, and then submit it onto Schoology. We'd rather see you get a question wrong than using Google on the quiz. So trust yourself and show some Laker integrity that we've talked about, okay? Then this is our new assignment that we're just starting. So we finished our DARE essays, so now we're going to be working on something called personal narratives. So this is a story about what's happened to you. So you get to pick a story. So what you're going to do for writing is you're going to watch 2 videos on brainstorming ideas for a personal narrative, a story about you. And you're going to upload a Google Doc into the writing folder with your ideas that you brainstormed. You should have at least 5 ideas on the Google Doc of stories you want to write about, and then you're going to highlight the one that you want to write about. So again, you're going to go into ELA, and you are going to see a folder that says personal narratives. So in this folder, it's going to be broken down day by day, kind of like our DARE essay was. And you're going to go into the brainstorming folder. Here is where you're going to watch the videos. These first 2 links are the 2 videos that are going to help you. And then you're going to open a Google Doc and write your 5 ideas, and then highlight one, and you're going to upload that into here so that we can see it. So we're going to have a check-in each day with these, okay, and check in on how we're doing, what our brainstorming our ideas are. And as we work throughout the week, the next time you're going to come to writing will be on Wednesday. You'll go to day 2 in here and check through the videos and what you're going to be doing, okay? So if you have any questions, reach out to Mr. Lund or myself on this stuff that is a little bit newer, or if you're working on your one-pagers and you're a little bit confused, just reach out to us and we can certainly help you through those things. Also, please make sure you are working on your specials things. They're always highlighted in red with the different links, as well as down here. has what you need for your different items. Okay, guys? Reach out, let us know what we can do for you, but also enjoy the beautiful weather that hopefully we are going to have this week. All right? Talk to you later, guys.